Dear students, welcome back to the topic of states of matter. Here you will going to learn about the postulates or the assumption of kinetic molecular theory of gases. So these postulates are related to the atoms and the molecules, which cannot be seen. Hence it is said to provide a microscopic model of gases. Let us learn the postulates of the kinetic molecular theory of gases. First postulate: gases consist of small particles called molecules. You know the molecules are what? These are the tiny particles which take part in a chemical reaction. The first postulate says that gas consists of large number of identical particles called atoms or molecules that are so small and so far apart on the average that the actual volume of the molecule is negligible as compared to the total volume. First postulate, the gas consisting of the small particles called the molecules. Then in gas molecules, the large empty space among the each gas molecules. See, this is a container. This container consisting of the gas, the gaseous mixtures that have the each individual molecules. There is a empty space between the each molecules. The next postulate, volume of the gas molecule is negligible as compared to the total volume of the gas in a container. This is a container, it consisting of the gaseous mixtures. By considering the whole volume of this gas container can consider, but the volume of the one molecule is negligible. The molecules have the no volume because they are very small molecules, they are the tiny gas molecules. So the volume of the one molecule is negligible in comparison to the total volume of the gas in a containers, because there is a empty space between them. They are considered as a point masses. This assumption explains the great compressibility of the gases. Gas molecules are in constant random motion. Why the gas molecules are in constant random motion? Because the collision between the one molecules with the another molecules. One molecules will collide with the one another. Then the collision between the gas molecules increases and they can hit the wall of the container also. The gas molecules hit the wall of the container. So they are saying gas molecules are in constant random motion. They are also move straight line or in random, and they can also hit the wall of the container. They can move in all the possible directions. Fourth postulate says that particles of a gas move in all the possible directions in straight lines. During their random motions, they will collide with each other, and they also collide with the wall of the container. So pressure is exerted by the gas as a result of the collision of the particles with the wall of the container. Next postulate, collision of gas molecule is perfectly elastic. This means that total energy of the molecules before the collision and total energy of the molecules after the collision remains same. There is no loss of the kinetic energy during the collision. That is called as the perfectly elastic collisions. Means there is a exchange of energy between the colliding molecules. Either the individual energy may change, but the sum of their total energy remains constant. They can exchange the energy from the one atom to the another atom, but the sum of their energies remains constant. So they are saying the molecules of a gas are perfectly elastic. There is no loss of the kinetic energy there. If there were a loss of the kinetic energy, the motion of molecules will be stopped and the gases will be settled down. This is the contrary to what is actually observed. Next one, the gas molecules are not interacting. They are the non-interacting, means at any particular time the different particles in a gas have the different speeds and hence they all have the different kinetic energy. But the assumption is says that the particles are the non-interacting. There is a no force of attraction between the particles of a gas, or there is a no attraction, or there is a no repulsion between the gas molecules. The support for these assumptions comes from the fact that the gas molecules are the non-reactive. There is a no attractive or there is a no repulsive force among the each gas molecules. Next one. Kinetic energy of a gas molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Whenever we will increases the temperatures, the kinetic energy of the gas molecules goes on increases, because the molecular motion increases whenever we will apply the temperature. Then the molecules will be collide with each other. They can transfer the energy with the one atom through the another atom. Collision going to increases. And if we increases the temperature, we replace this burner by the or ice cubes, otherwise it will be cooled. Then the temperature will decreases, the kinetic energy of the molecules will decreases, because there is a no motion of the molecules, there is a no random motion of the molecules. Kinetic energy of the gas molecule is decreases by decreasing the temperature. So they are saying that kinetic energy and the temperature both are directly proportional. So the postulate says that the average kinetic energy of the gas molecule is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Last point, no effect of the gravity on the gas molecules. Why the gas molecules they have the no effect? Because always the gravitational effect is on the earth. Earth have the earth gravitational field, but the gases molecules are present in the atmosphere. The atmosphere is above the surface of the earth. There the gravity will be less as compared to the earth surfaces. Whenever we move above, the gravity become less because of this gas molecule density is very small. The mass of the gas is negligible, volume is also negligible, neither mass nor volume. So the low density of these gas molecules, there is no effect of the gravity on the molecules. Let us discuss all the points one time. The postulates of the kinetic molecular theory of gases are, the first one is, gases consist of large number of tiny particles of negligible volume and the identical particles called the atoms or the molecules. Second one, there is a no force of attraction between these particles. Third one, these particles are always in constant random motion. They can hit the wall of the container also. The fourth one, the particles of a gas move in all the possible directions in a straight line. Then fifth postulate, collisions of gas molecules are perfectly elastic one. There is no loss of kinetic energy during the collision. Sixth one, different particles in the gas have a different speeds and hence the different energies. The next one, the average kinetic energy of the gas molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperatures. So these are the postulates of the kinetic molecular theory of gas. This is for 4-mark question.